Hi students, I'm going to be saying the words on the sound chart that we used last week and this week in class. So I'm going to say the number of the word that the sound that I'm saying. I'll demonstrate or say the sound itself and then read the three words. Now sometimes the sound is different if it's at the beginning of the sentence or the beginning of the word or in the middle of the word or the end of the word. So if it's different, I will demonstrate it. And you can repeat after me. You can listen and repeat. So I'm just going to go start right now, and I hope this is helpful for you in your learning. So again, it's the paper that says Sound Chart PDF. And I'm starting now with number 1. The sound is p, p, pool, proper, keep. Number 2, b, 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 bill, baby, cab. And when I'm saying these words, I want you to look at the shape of my mouth. Are my lips rounded? Are they smiling? Do you see my tongue? Do you see my teeth? Pay attention to my mouth, the lips, the muscles around my mouth, the muscles on my face, my jaw, how open or closed it is. So that gives you a lot of information to help you make the produce the sound yourself. So pay attention and try to copy me. Number 3, t, 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 tool, lieutenant, heat. Number 4, d, 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 debt, lead men, kid. Number 5, k, 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 can, Laker, back. Number 6, g, 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 get, beggar, bag. Now, number 7 is what we call a syllabic consonant. It's like uh-oh, uh-oh. Number 8, fine, effort, knife. Number 9 is voiced, v, v, v. Vine, given, live. So the number 8 is unvoiced. Number 9 is v. It's the same as like the F sound, okay, but it's voiced. Number 10, think, ether, breath. Okay, and that's unvoiced. Number 11 is voiced. These, either, breath. I'm sorry, breathe. Okay, number 12, sink, looser, bus. Number 13, voiced. Sorry. Z, z, z. Zinc, loser, buzz. Number 14, shh, shh, shh. Share, cashier, flash. Number 15 is similar to 14, but it's voiced. Zh, zh, zh. Pleasure. Another example is garage. Number 16, hat. Number 17, ch, ch, ch. Chair, watcher, catch. So that's unvoiced. Number 18 is similar, but it's voiced. Ja, ja, ja. Jail, pleasure, judge. Number 19 is like a D, but it's a little different, and that's butter, butter. Number 20, mine, hammer, him. Number 21, net, spinner, then. Number 22 is It's kind of like an N with a G. Sink. Oh, think. Sing. So whenever we have a verb and it's in the ing verb form, then we was like singing, playing, dancing. It's that sound at the end, the ing, ing. Number 23, So it's the L at the beginning of the word, the L sound, the ul sound, leap. And 24 is when there's a L, letter L at the end of the word. It's different. It's very different. We're pulling our tongue back, ul, like pull. 25, Remember your tongue is up and curled back like this, and your tip of your tongue doesn't touch anything in your mouth. It's free to move in your mouth. So red, carrot, her. Now 26 is, for me, is the same as 16. Human. Well, no, there's a ya in there. Human. It's a kind of H sound, with a ya for human, human. So it's not human, it's human. 27, yet, canyon. Number 28 is the same for me as 29. For me, for California dialect, it's pretty much wa. So which. And number 29 is the same for me in Southern California or California dialect. Which, coward. Okay, so 28 and 29 in the California dialect is the same. Now let's 30 to 44 are vowels. The other sounds were consonants. So 30, E, beat. See, it's tense right here. My jaw's almost closed. My jaw's closed. But 31, it's relaxed. 31 is bit. 32, a. Your tongue is moving. A. Okay, bait. 33, relaxed. Bet. 34, bat. So your jaw is really open. And it's very tense here. It's tight. Bat. 35, I. Your tongue is moving. Bite. Number 36, father. 37, ow. So you start with like but then you round your lips. Ooh, down. Now some people might say down, or some people might say down. So it's a little bit different, but this is down. Down or down? Down. Okay, 38, oi. You're moving your tongue. You're starting with O, but then you're going E, boy. 39, polite. It's not polite, but polite. 40, herb. Number 41, ooh, round your lips. Ooh, pool, round ooh. 42, oh. The sound is more like a pull. This is like book. I think this is like book, cook, wood, pull. So that's 42. 43, oh, round your lips. Pole. Now 44 in the California or standard California dialect is the same as 36. So 36 is father. 44, bought. So that's the same sound as bought, caught, brought. In other places in the United States, they're going to say, there's some places they say brought, but I don't want to teach that because we don't say that in California, in Orange County. So we say brought. So that's the paper that I gave you, and you can practice along with me and looking at the sound chart. I hope this really helped you, and you can practice and watch my face and listen and repeat and repeat. So thank you for watching, and have fun practicing English pronunciation.